Luminous is my happy place. So, every time I'm here, parang, okay, nakakalimutan ko yung stress. Tapos, parang relaxed ako. Tapos, paglabas ko, masaya lang ako. So, I don't know if you feel my energy, but I'm really, really happy.
Hi everyone! I'm Dr. Casey Reyes. You can call me Doc Casey. I'm a skin doctor, cosmetic surgeon, preventive medicine practitioner, and the founder of Luminis. So stay tuned until the end of the video for a surprise for Skin Vesting Club members. So the clock is ticking. Those early signs of aging can creep up fast, leaving us longing for a youthful glow. So let's be honest, who doesn't want to keep that youthful radiance? But here's the good news. Prevention is key. A personalized skincare plan is an investment that pays off way more than chasing trends that might not work for you. So in today's Skin Vesting episode, we have a special guest, our dear friend Valerie Tan, one of the Philippines' most sought-after TV and event hosts. She's here to share her journey with Luminis. She'll reveal how we help her maintain that flawless, youthful skin that keeps her camera ready and at the top of her game.
Hi, I'm Valerie Tan, a TV and events host, content creator, entrepreneur, and a skin investor. Sa kanya skin goals ko, dapat sana glass skin. Siyempre, uso mga Korean drama na yan. And then, moisturized skin. And sana hindi siya dry. Kasi nga, di ba, as a person ages, may tendency siya na mag-dry. And syempre, to reduce the appearance of fine lines, mga wrinkles, that nakasama talaga ng aging. So, syempre, gusto natin yung medyo to slow it down a bit. Bukod sa maarte talaga ako, kikay talaga ako, it's also part of my job to really present myself well, di ba? Hindi naman kailangan sobrang ganda. Basta be presentable, be decent, like have good skin, clear skin, extra na yung supple, ganyan, extra na yung youthful, pero the very basics is talagang good and clear skin. Kasi sa job ko, as a host, humaharap din ako sa tao. People don't only hear my voice, but they also see me on stage. So, syempre, how I present myself, yung energy na yon, it also manifests to other people. So, as much as possible, I want a more positive energy. So, kailangan confident tayo sa sarili natin. I wear makeup siguro almost every day kapag may shoot. Tapos kapag weekends naman, kung walang shoot, walang events, nagme-makeup pa din ako, minimal, mga powder, ganyan. So, talagang, I would admit, syempre na-affect din yung skin ko. So, kailangan siya parang meron kang pang-kontra dyan eh. May parang pang TLC ka na binibigay sa skin mo. So, that's why it's important that I come to Luminis minsan every 2 weeks I'm here for the facials, for the other treatments, for maintenance talaga. Para at least, anytime na may kailangan akong event na puntahan, okay, no worries. I know I'm ready kasi lagi ako nasa Luminis.
As a TV and event host, Valerie is constantly under spotlight. Digital cameras can be unforgiving, highlighting uneven skin texture or cake-on makeup. That's why at Luminis, we take a personal approach to her skincare. Remember Valerie's incredible Barbie forehead transformation? Please look at the link below so you can see it. For her, we use subtle enhancements to achieve a balanced, natural look. Our advanced techniques and products ensure flawless, undetectable results for every patient. Now, our focus is maintaining Valerie's overall skin health and radiance. Valerie is using our Refresh and Relax program. The Refresh plan uses Profilo K, which is a revolutionary treatment that's perfect for this. It's not a traditional filler. Instead, it uses a unique combination of non-cross-linked hyaluronic acid to stimulate collagen and elastin production. These proteins are essential for maintaining youthful skin structure and elasticity. What are the benefits of Profilo K? Number 1, it enhances skin hydration. Profilo has one of the highest concentration of hyaluronic acid available in injectable treatment. It has 64 mg per ml compared to others which has 32 mg per ml. It acts like a sponge, attracting and holding vast amount of water, up to 1,000 times its weight. This plumps and hydrates the skin from within, giving it a dewy, youthful look. Second, Profilo boosts collagen and elastin. Its unique formulation slowly releases hyaluronic acid over time. This triggers the production of new collagen and elastin fibers within your skin. As this protein increases, your skin becomes firmer, more elastic, and wrinkles become less noticeable. And third, it improves skin quality. It goes beyond just hydration and wrinkle reduction. It can also improve the overall texture and tone of your skin. Fine lines are diminished, wrinkles appear smoother, and your skin regains a healthy glow. So for Profhilo K, we use the 5-point injection technique in the application of Profhilo. So this 5-point injection technique are strategically placed to maximize the product's distribution and effectiveness across the face. These points are typically located on each side of the face for a total of 10 injections. So if you put it on the upper cheek, the injection targets the area around your cheekbones, aiming to improve the volume and definition. For the nasal base, this point focuses on the area beside your nose and helps address fine lines or wrinkles that often develop there. For the lower cheek, this injection targets the mid-face region to add volume and improve skin laxity. So for the jawline, this point targets the jawline to enhance its definition and contribute to a sharper facial profile. For the chin, it enhances the improved definition and address any concern about volume loss in the chin area. By strategically targeting these 5 points, the treatment can achieve even distribution of the Profhilo K product, potentially requiring fewer injection points compared to other techniques. Also, fewer injection sites can mean less overall discomfort during the procedure. This treatment is combined with the Relax program that targets wrinkle with a powerful tool neurotoxin injection. This injection are a popular choice for smoothing out forehead lines and crow's feet. So we use Xeomin or Allergan Botox. So here's how they work. Neurotoxins or Botox work like tiny messengers, temporarily interrupting the signals that tell your facial muscles to contract. This relaxation smooths out the overlying skin, making wrinkles caused by repeated expression less visible. But the Relax program goes beyond just erasing wrinkles. Neurotoxins or Botox can also be used preventively to minimize the formation of new wrinkles. By gently relaxing these muscles over time, we can potentially weaken the muscle memory that leads to wrinkles when you make certain expressions. This means early intervention with neurotoxins might lead to fewer wrinkles and a more youthful appearance in the long run. Getting older is a beautiful part of life. It's just a chance to celebrate an experience we have collected and the wisdom we have gained. But while aging is inevitable, there's no reason we cannot embrace it with healthy, radiant skin.
Luminous is my happy place. So, every time I'm here, parang, okay, nakakalimutan ko yung stress. Tapos, parang relaxed ako. Tapos, paglabas ko, masaya lang ako. So, I don't know if you feel my energy, but I'm really, really happy with Luminous. So, every time may new treatment, syempre, I'll research pa rin naman. Syempre, kailangan proactive pa rin naman tayo, diba? We're still responsible for ourselves. So, I still research, pero I trust the doctors here. I trust Luminous. I know that I'm in very good hands. I'm Valerie Tan, and I'm a proud Skinvestor.
Taking care of your skin is an investment in yourself. It's about feeling confident and looking and feeling your best at any age. After all, when you feel good in your skin, you can truly feel as young and vibrant as you are on the inside. Thank you for staying tuned until the end. I hope you guys learned a little something from this episode of Skinvesting. As a surprise treat for being part of the Skinvesting Club, we have a refresh plan with Valerie Tan giveaway to one loyal viewer of the channel. Leave a comment below and use the hashtag RefreshPlan, hashtag LuminisMakeover, hashtag TheKCMakeover to qualify for this promo. Before you go, remember to give this a video a like, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell to catch our next episodes and learn more from me and from Luminis.